Welcome back, welcome back. The math is easy, step by step. In this part 12 video, we're going to continue reducing fractions. All right, so we have a fraction here, 12 144ths, or 144 thousandths, right? Tenths, hundred, thousandths. So 12 and 144 thousandths. Or 12 divided by 144. Yeah, that's another way to look at it. So what number can you divide evenly into the top part of that fraction and the bottom without getting a remainder? Stop, pause, try to work this out. Okay, so if you have a pretty strong background in math and you know your multiplication tables, 12 by 12 multiplication tables, then you know that 12 divided by 12 is 1. And 144 divided by 12 is 12. Why? Because 12 times 12 is 144. But let's say you're not very strong with your 12 by 12 products table. That your multiplication skills may be weak. Let me show you another example of how to reduce 12 over 144 by dividing your smallest multiples into that fraction and slowly simplify the fraction. Okay, so looking at 12 over 144. 12 is an even number. 144 is an even number. Why? Because both numbers can be divided by 2 evenly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide 2 in the top, and I'm going to divide 2 into the bottom of that fraction. Okay, so as you can see here, 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 144 divided by 2 is 72. Now, a quick way to check your answer is you can say 2 times 6 is 12, and 2 times 72, or 72 plus 72, is 144. And so if you're having a hard time seeing the 144 divided by 2, take it a little at a time. Take 14, divide by 2. I know 2 times 7 is 14. That gives me the 7 here. That leaves me the 4, and I know 2 times 2 is 4. So that gives me the 72. All right, let's try it again. We got an even number 6 on the top, an even number 72 on the bottom. Let's divide 2 to top and bottom once again. Okay, so 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 72 divided by 2 is 36. Another way to check, again, is 3 times 2 is 6. 36 times 2, or 36 plus 36, gives you 72. Now, if you can't see the 72, let me try to help and show you. 7 divided by 2 is 3, right? Because 2 times 3 is 6. That's where the 3 came up. So 6 take away 7 leaves me 1 and 2, which is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. You have no remainder. So again, we can divide top and bottom evenly without a remainder. Now we have 3 over 36. Is there a number I can divide in the top evenly without a remainder? And that same number I can divide into the bottom? Well, I know 3 can be divided by 3. 36 can evenly be divided by 3 as well. Let's take a look. What does that look like? Okay, so we can see here 3 divided by 3 is 1. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Again, you can check 1 times 3 is 3. 12 times 3 is 36, right? And showing you that multiplication and division are the inverse or opposites of each other. And so that's how you check your answer. And you can also see here how I started this first fraction. I divided 12 in the top and bottom. I got 1/12. And that same fraction, 12 over 144, I started off with 2, divided 2 again in the top and bottom, finished with dividing 3 in the top and bottom, and I ended up with the same answer, 1/12. So it does take a little bit of practice. Don't worry, at the end of these videos, I'm going to have an internet suggestion for you to find free worksheets with answers so you can practice these new skills and get better and better and better. And I just have to say, Mistakes are the golden road to knowledge. And I made a mistake here. I did some mental math. I made a mistake. Can you see how sloppy and ugly looking this is? 3 over 36. But I'm pointing this out to you if you didn't notice already that, it's okay to make mistakes. Listen, we all make mistakes, from some people who may be experts at a topic and some people who are beginners. But I'm telling you, each and every time you make a mistake, you learn from it and you get better and better and better. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Hey, I'm going to wrap up this part number 12 here and now. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Stick around for part 13. I have some more key information that you need to know regarding reducing or simplifying fractions. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step.